CNN report on the flood situation in Bangladesh. Its narrative is misleading. Mentioned in the press release by the government, clarifying the situation. We have regular and Let me tell you, we've seen the CNN report on the flood situation in Bangladesh. Its narrative is misleading and suggests that India is somehow responsible for the floods. It is factually not correct and ignores the facts mentioned in the press releases issued by the government of India clarifying the situation. They also have ignored that we have a regular and timely exchange of data and critical information between the two countries through existing joint mechanisms for water resources management.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.